Hello everyone. In today's video, I will explain to you how to solve iPhone touchscreen responsiveness problems, a step-by-step guide. Feel free to comment if you have any questions or help. Let's start. If you're having trouble with your iPhone's touchscreen not being as responsive as it should be, you're not alone. It's a common issue, but don't stress. There are a few steps you can follow to try and fix it. Here's a straightforward guide to get your iPhone touchscreen back in tip-top shape. Number 1. Give it a clean. Sometimes the problem isn't with the screen itself, but with a bit of grime. Grab a soft, lint-free cloth and gently wipe your screen. Make sure you're not using anything too wet. Just a slightly dampened cloth would do the trick. Dirt, grease, and fingerprints. Number 2. Update iOS and restart your iPhone. Outdated software can sometimes cause touchscreen issues. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Check for updates. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. If there's an update, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. This could resolve bugs or issues affecting your touchscreen. Then, a simple restart. This can refresh your iPhone software and fix minor glitches. Number 3. Check for hardware issues. If none of the previous steps work, the problem could be hardware related. Inspect your iPhone for any visible damage or issues. Sometimes, physical damage to the screen or internal components can cause touch problems. If you suspect hardware damage, it's best to get in touch with Apple support or visit an authorized service provider. Number 4. Reset all settings. If the problem persists, you might want to reset your settings. This won't delete your data, but will reset system settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpaper. To do this, go to Settings, General, Reset all settings. After your iPhone restarts, you'll need to reconfigure some settings, but this can sometimes fix touchscreen issues. Number 5. Backup and restore your iPhone. If none of the previous solutions work, you might consider backing up your iPhone and performing a factory reset. This will erase all content and settings, so make sure to back up your data first. To do this, go to Settings, General, Reset, Erase all content and settings. After your iPhone resets, you can restore your backup and see if the touchscreen issue is resolved. I hope I made that clear. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. More videos on my channel. Like and subscribe for more tips.